In our fourth workshop, we will have a look in WaterNet Advisor to model editing. As usual, we will start by creating a new scenario. So click to new one, name it edits, dance, save, activate. There are two ways how to editing model. You can see there are common edits and advanced edits. Let's start with the common edits. You can see in the analysis toolbar there are predefined elements of the model, such as tanks, reservoirs, pipes, valves, pumps, variable speed pumps, junction demands, and junction emitters. So if you want to change some parameters in the pipes, first we need to select it, activate in the table of contents, then select pipe, and in common edits to set it here. Now you can see here its ID, and then you can change diameter, roughness coefficient, even status, which means that you can keep the pipe open, you can close it, mark it as abandoned, or change it to check valve. Also, all the changes is possible to list it all together by copying to the clipboard. Then if you paste it to the text file or spreadsheet, you will see all the changes you have done. If you close it or change the diameter, you can then see that when it's closed, it's automatically changed its symbology in a map. If you select it and have a look to attribute table, there is an actual diameter and original one, and also the status you can see when it's changed. In the editing, there is also possibilities to show the pipe in the map. If you select multiple ones, you can completely delete the item, or you can easily restore initial values. I click it, you can see it's changed back to 80 millimeters of diameter, and it's open again. Now we can check the parameters for pumps and select one of them, or also you can select all of them together, bring it to editation. Here you can change the status, about to be open, close, or out of service, and you can also change the relative speed from default one, that you can for example increase its speed about 5%, or you can also change it to decrease it. Then when you will run the hydraulic simulation or any other simulation, all the changes will be reflected. Then you can compare the results of each scenario and see what's the difference in flow and pressure, other results. Now we can check for advanced edits. The advanced edits requires the knowledge of EPINet format. In a section, you can list any part of EPINet. For example, patterns. You can see each pattern used in a model. Here we have different one for commercial, residential, and for the leakage. So you can change or edit the patterns, or the same you can change the controls for pump station or rules. You can change or add a new one, and all the other possibilities. Or even you can change the options. You can set the number of trials, for example, or if you want to run the water quality, you can change it here from none to H, etc. So there is a lot of options that you can do here, but as I mentioned earlier, it's necessary to have a knowledge of the format of all this editing. And that's all for this workshop.